Some of you guys have been asking for me to compare my air filters. The one I got, which is this one, the K&N Race-Spec air filter, to the stock air filter that I had in here. But this air filter is in the bike. So I'm going to show you guys the difference, but first I got to get this out of here. So disassembly, go! Still no friends. So got the tank off again. So let's get this airbox cover off. Just gonna gently hang that there. All right, and we're gonna pop the air filter off. Fucking airplane. All right. Oh, there she is. Sink it back down. This is the, where can I get this in camera? There we go. This is the Race-Spec air filter. Put that in air quotes because, I don't know. Oh, that's a fucking bug and a half right there. All right, let's compare this with the old one. I'm gonna do the best that I can here to get the best angle that I can. Just the thing is kind of on my head. Just a heads up, when you get it, it just kind of says it's not intended for dirt or track or off-road use or highway use. Basically, it's saying it's only for the track, which I don't go on. I have been using it on the just regular roads for about a year now, and no tears or holes or cracks. It is pretty dirty in there. I'll have to go downstairs and get the air compressor and kind of blow it out a little bit and clean it up. But this is the K&N Race-Spec air filter. This is the 2013 Kawasaki Ninja Zx6R stock air filter. So right off the bat, you can kind of see a lot more ridges in this one. It's a lot thicker, so it kind of doesn't allow as much air to go through it. So when they're sitting in the bike, they're sitting in the bike like this. Obviously not in the bike at the same time. So this is what the air hits first. It hits all these, and then you have this grating on the back to kind of catch anything that would slip through that's not supposed to get in there. This one, no metal grating on it. It's really, definitely lets a lot more air get through. That's one of the reasons I wanted it. I do check it every now and then just to make sure that there are no holes in it, because this one is it's like weaker. It's not as thick ribbed as this one. So I just wanted to make sure that no little rocks or anything got through and did damage this one up. But I mean, if you definitely take a look, kind of hold it up into the daylight there, can definitely see that more light gets into that one than this one. I mean, you can see, like, I can see my neighbor's house. But I mean, with this one, you can't even, once you turn it around, you can kind of see some daylight in there. Maybe. Probably not on camera, I can see it, but I know they make, I'm not sure which one it is, but I know there's kind of like you don't have to go straight to an airplane again. You don't have to go straight to the, like the Race-Spec one. I know there's one in between. I think it's just like a high flow air filter to let you get more air, not necessarily just straight to like Race-Spec, so to speak, but race bike. So that's about it, honestly. The really only difference is you get just a shit ton more airflow in this one than with this one. The only downside is, if you live in like a really crappy area with just horrible roads and nails are getting in your air intake and shit, and that shouldn't be happening anyway. But if you are getting nails in your engine, you got bigger problems. You just get a lot more airflow with this one than with this one. Just with this one, just be careful. Check it. I check it every, I don't know, couple months or whenever I'm bored. I feel like tinkering with the bike. Just take it out and make sure that there's no holes or rips and tears in it, and just kind of spray it out with some compressed air to clean it up. Yeah, that's about it. More airflow, less airflow. Stock air filter, aftermarket K&N air filter. That's about it. Any other videos you guys want to see, just give me a heads up, and I will let you guys know. This is Ninja Pig. I'll see you guys in the next one.